Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and see when a TikTok account was created. This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is really quick and simple, so let's jump straight into it. First things first, let's go ahead and open up your Gmail or any email that you have used in your TikTok. You could be using the Gmail application, or you could just go ahead and use the web application. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the official Gmail application right here. And once inside, you want to go ahead and search for TikTok verification. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and search TikTok verification right here. And then you will be able to see when did you first receive a TikTok notification, and that is a good indicator that that is when you have created your account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.